Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. This is question 5 from the KCSE Mathematics Paper 2021, paper 1. So it's question 5 and we are asked to simplify these algebraic fractions. So you can see these are quadratic expressions. Now let's start with the top one. What do we have? 2x squared minus xy minus 6y squared. Now we need to find a trick that is going to help us to simplify, to factorize this. So normally you would need to factorize these and then cancel out some brackets. That's what we're going to do. So if I take that one, I'm going to do 2x squared minus xy minus 6y squared first. Okay, what do we have? Now my method, what I use the constant for x squared, which is 2 in this case, and the constant for the constant. Normally you will have a number at the end, so in this case we have y squared. So I have these two numbers anyway. So 2 times 6 is 12. So what I do, 2 times 6, which is 12. Then I think about what numbers that are factors of 12, and then if I add or subtract will give me minus xy. So that's a minus 1 xy. So which numbers will give me a 1 if I multiply them to get 12? So I can see that's going to be 3 and 4. Now I need to decide which number is going to be a positive number and which one is going to be a negative number. So I have a negative 1 here, so which means the 3 needs to be the plus and the other one needs to be a minus 4. And the reason for that is because I have minus here, these numbers, they can't be both negative numbers. And if they are both negative, they will give me negative 7, which is not what I want. I want to have plus 3 and then minus 4. So I'm going to rewrite this in my way, the way I do. By splitting the middle term, I'm going to do 2x squared. Now I'm going to use minus 4 because that goes well with 2. So I'm going to put minus 4xy and then I will write plus 3xy, that's my middle term, and then minus 6y squared. Now remember, at this point we need to kind of split them and then factorize. So we're gonna split at the middle here, and let's factorize this side. So I'm talking about this side. 2x is common here, so that's going to give you 2x, and then inside you're going to have x minus, I need a 2 to get a 4, and I need my y. And then over here I have a plus, and then what's common here is a 3 and y. So I'm going to have 3y outside, and then I have x here to give me 3xy. Now I have a negative and a plus here, so it must be negative here. I need a 2 to make a 6, so I need a 2 here. I need a y to give me y squared. So that's that. Now you can see I have same brackets here. I only take one of those brackets to form my factorization. So first I do x minus 2y. And my next bracket is formed by these numbers outside. So that's going to be 2x, this one here, and then plus 3y. Now I have factorized the top. Okay, so let's put that somewhere and then we can wrap this out. So I'm going to just remove that. Right, so now you have seen the top one gives us this. Now let's do the bottom expression. That should be easy because the coefficient of x squared here is just 1. So if we do 1 times 4, it will just give us same. Anyway, we're going to factorize this one now. So x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared. Okay, this should be easy because you just need, I'm taking my number here, okay, 4. Now I'm thinking 4, which numbers would give me, which factors of 4 that would give me a negative 4. So I could do 4 times 1, okay? There's no way they're going to give me a negative 4 if I add or subtract them. So this pair will not work. Another way to make 4 is 2 times 2. Okay, so that will give me 4 if I add them or subtract them. I need to have a negative 4. So both of these numbers are going to be negative. So now I know my two terms in the middle are going to be negative 2 and negative 2. So I'm going to rewrite this one. Actually, you don't need to rewrite this one. You can easily do it, but I will show you anyway how to do it. So x squared minus 2xy minus 2xy plus 4y squared. Alright, so sampling, we're going to split the middle term here. You didn't have to do it this way, it's much easier, but I will show you anyway. So common here is x, and then I'll have x minus 2y. And then I have this minus here, you must carry it down. Common here is 2y, so I'm going to write 2y, and I need x, and then because I have a plus here and negative here, inside here I must have a negative. Right then, so I need another 2 and I need another y in order to get y squared. Now I'm going to take my brackets, the same ones, I just take one of those, so x minus 2y, and then I have x minus 2y, so that was a square bracket. Right, so the bottom expression here gives me x minus 2y, x minus 2y. So if we continue what we have now, if I bring the top one here, x minus 2y, and then I have 2x plus 3y, divide by the bottom expression gives us this, x minus 2y, and then x minus 2y. Okay, so that bracket and that bracket goes, and then the final answer is just going to be 2x plus 3y over x minus 2y. Alright guys, this is your final answer. That expression is now simplified to this algebraic fractions. Thank you for watching guys, and bye for now.